Throw the whole county your way. Judge hands behind your back. Fulton County, boy. Oh, corrupt, dirty Fulton County. They say, what the is going on in Georgia? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. But hey, man, I hope everybody is blessed, well, healthy, and that nothing but the best is going on in all you beautiful people's life, man. We're bringing y'all more corruption updates. Y'all know we're going to call it for what it is, man. Especially what's going on in Fulton County. Wow. We're going to find that mattress. Fannie G mattress realist. We know that mattress is off I-75 in the Atlanta, Georgia hood. Right there on that corner block. And y'all keep switching it to them different houses, them trap houses. We're going to find that mattress. Yeah, them tax-paying dollars is twerking. All out in the street. I tell you, man. People can't do their job. People lying. Having secret meetings. Going on affairs and trips. Unbelievable. Same people coming after Trump. Got their own dirty laundry. Unbelievable. But my brother Nez is going to crack me up. Salute to my brother, man. Make sure y'all go down below and check out Professor Nez. And tell him I sent you. But you know what's crazy? Some of Nez Nation is actually over here, man. And you guys love when I check out his videos. He cracks me up, man. And he's an amazing guy. And he even commented and showed love on a couple videos. And loves our channel, man. So salute to my brother. Make sure y'all go check him out. An amazing guy, man. Bless him and his family. And let's get this update on this judge. Boy, oh boy, in this Young Thug case. Just some of them patriots listen to that Young Thug. No? Y'all don't listen to that Young Thug, patriots? Have you heard one Young Thug song? Comment down below. They're like, Rick, no, oh no. That rap and that hip hop. Y'all know we love all genres of music, man. We love all genres of music. You name it, I've heard it. You know, just go down the channel's catalog. As a reaction channel, as a reactor myself, we love all, man. We love everything, baby. And I love you guys. We got to come together and love one another, man. One love, the human race, baby. Let's get this update. Let's see what's going on.
Atlanta rapper Young Thug's attorney tried to remove Judge Glanville from the organized crime trial, accusing the judge of joining the prosecutor's team. Atlanta News First reporter Rachel Aragon takes us inside the courtroom.
Defense attorney Brian Steele filed a motion to have the judge removed from this case. He claims the current judge is biased against his client Jeffrey Williams, aka rapper Young Thug. The judge overseeing the YSL RICO trial denying the motion to recuse himself from the case.
I've consumed everything on it, and that doesn't change my ruling at this point in time, respectfully.
The motion, filed by rapper Young Thug's attorney Brian Steele, largely centers around the meeting that occurred earlier this month between the judge, prosecutors, and a key witness. Steele alleging the private meeting was improper and that defense attorneys were not notified about it.
How did you get that information supposedly from my chambers?
Steele's refusal to divulge who told him about the conversations that occurred during that meeting, prompting the judge to hold Steele in contempt.
We caught you, buddy. Hands behind your back. We caught you. We've been catching everybody in Fulton County. There's a lot of people that need to be held accountable. I done got fired up, my bad, y'all. My cholesterol, my blood pressure, and my sugar levels is rising. It's unbelievable what's going on down there in Fulton County.
And give him jail time.
So I've added this court to the witness list.
While the judge plans to stay on this case, Steele says he plans to ask witness Kenneth Copeland about that private meeting during cross-examination.
When that day comes, I'm going to ask him about how much pressure, if any, the court put on him. And you're going to be the one instructing the jury. And I just can't imagine how that's fair to Mr. Williams.
Live breaking news, Nez Nation, in the YSL RICO Young Thug case happening in Fannie Willis's district, Fulton County. You know, we've been covering this insane case and the drama that just keeps unfolding with Judge Suge Knight Glanville So yesterday, there was a denial by the appellate court of this writ of mandamus, which is essentially just a written appeal to a higher authority to get the recusal of Chief Judge Urel, a.k.a. Suge Knight, Glanville. And that was, we did a video on this. I'll leave it at the end if you want to see that, or just go to my channel where we talked about, it was really a kind of nomenclature argument of sort of legalese and legal vernacular kind of argument. They basically said you have to go to Superior Court of Fulton County before you're not following the proper procedure to get Judge Glanville recused. Well, today, June 28th, you can see in the top right corner of your screen, this was filed today, which is a verified emergency petition, and at the very top, in the Superior Court of Fulton County, DeMonte Kendrick, otherwise known as Yak Gotti, versus Chief Judge Urel, a.k.a. Suge Knight, Glanville. Now, this is over 85 pages, but as always, got you covered. And what I have here is I have a written, I've done my due diligence, I've taken my notes, and I've got everything broken down for you guys here.
Shout out to our brother Nez, man. Again, make sure y'all go down below, go to his channel, make sure you subscribe to him, check him out. He drops amazing content every single day and amazing live streams. He's an amazing guy, man. Make sure y'all go down below and show my brother some love.
So we can talk about this and look at this together and compare what are the former petitions, what's going to happen, what's it all about. So here we go. Let's break this down. So the key allegations here, and obviously you saw in the video and the other videos that we've had, I think one of our videos where we really went in depth with, Brian Steele, Young Thug's attorney, getting arrested, has over 1 million views now. Very thankful to you guys for that, but it's obviously something that's a hot topic, and it's all about this ex parte proceeding. So the key allegations are a secret ex parte proceeding, which he admitted to, was held on June 10th, 2024, involving Chief Judge Glanville, the prosecution, and a key witness, Kenneth Copeland. The meeting occurred without the knowledge or presence of the defense, which in 2024 is so beyond the scope of absurdity, it's impossible to describe the egregiousness of this. What's even scarier and more terrifying is the fact that this judge is saying, no, whatever I do is right. I'm the law, without any faith to actual law. So it's just insane. The judicial misconduct, the petition alleges serious breaches of the Georgia Code of Judicial Conduct, which the Supreme Court is not going to agree with him, including improper ex parte communication, and accuses Judge Suge Knight of attempting to conceal the proceeding. The violation of rights, these actions are claimed to jeopardize, which they do, Kendrick's right to a fair trial. What do you guys think, by the way, really quickly before we move on? Let me know in the comments. Do you agree with this petition by Weinstein, who is Kendrick's attorney, or do you agree with the judge? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Here are the demands of the actual petition, and the demands are that the recusal of Judge Glanville, and so essentially assign the motion for his recusal to an unbiased judge as required by Uniform Superior Court Rule 25.3. Also, the transcript, this is interesting. Immediate production of the unredacted transcript of the ex parte proceeding, and also emergency relief to address the immediate impact on the trial, particularly regarding the coerced witness, Kenneth Copeland, otherwise known as Lil Woody. Boy, is he entertaining. She fat. I don't know. What you mean? Huh? Those are just a few excerpts, but it's pretty much that's his entire testimony. Hours and hours of testimony of, huh? Man. What you want? What you mean? Huh? I don't know. Basically, that's his whole testimony. If you disagree with that, let me know in the comments. The former petition,
Lil Woody, man,
writ of mandamus, key allegations. So there's some differences here, and I'm going to talk about those. So the former were general allegations. This is very important to understand. Excuse me while I fix this. So there were general allegations of judicial misconduct by Chief Judge, including not following proper procedures. Recusal denials. Previous motions for Judge Glanville's recusal were denied without adherence to the required procedures. The demands were also different. Recusal motion, same as the current petition requesting the assignment of the recusal. The transcript, similar demand for the production. The emergency relief sought emergency relief due to the immediate trial proceedings and involvement of a key witness under coercion. Now, here are the key differences. And I think this is important to talk about. And then we're going to talk about what does this all mean. The specific incident, the current petition focuses on a very specific incident, and that is the ex parte proceeding on June 10th, providing detailed allegations and evidence related to this event. Additional evidence, the current petition includes affidavits and specific evidence from the recent ex parte meeting, whereas the former lacked such detailed evidence. The context and urgency, this is really interesting to me. The current petition emphasizes the urgency due to the ongoing trial and the immediate need for relief to ensure a fair trial, particularly concerning the witness, Kenneth Copeland. The title is also different. Now here, this is the important part. What are the potential outcomes? What could potentially happen, okay? So this is where it really, really gets important to pay very, very close attention. So court hearing, Chief Judge Glanville will be required to respond to the mandipus petition in court, which I hope that's televised. Assignment of judge. If the petition is accepted, a different judge will be assigned to hear the motion for recusal. Also, the production of the transcript, which is really, I don't understand how this is not mandatory right away. It's this sort of lawfare, kind of take the law in your own hands, invent your own law, that seems to be a very consistent ideology in Fulton County. We're just going to invent things and follow our own ways of doing things, such as Cash Money G storming in and saying, put me on the stand. And the judge just goes, okay. Like, what? It's insane. The court may order the release of the unredacted transcript of the ex parte proceeding. I don't see how they couldn't. This one's a biggie too, and probably something that everybody wants, excluding the prosecution, and that is a stay of proceedings. The trial may be paused if the court grants a stay of proceeding until these issues raised in the petition are resolved. And then last but not least, they could easily just do this. They might deny the petition, allowing the trial to continue under Judge Glanville. Given all the evidence, given everything that Judge Glanville has done, given the fact that he even said in court that this is probably going to go to an appellate review, and there's a record for that, really cutting short defense counsel Steele, who was absolutely 100% right. Like, why is that ex parte? Why is that privileged information? Why is that? What is going on here? How is this not a conflict of interest if I'm going to call Little Woody, aka Kenneth Copeland, to the stand and ask him if he was pressured or coerced, and you're the judge overseeing this who was involved in that ex parte meeting, and you have to give the jury instructions? That is a conflict of interest. Do the right thing. There is a blindingly unmerciful, zero shame in Fulton County of committing violation after violation after violation of the law. And then she says, why is it that we have to have daddy to tell us what to do? It has nothing to do with your skin tone, I'll tell you that.
Amen. Tell you that. One race, the human race, man. One love, man. Sick of the victim, playing victim, pulling the race car. We're sick of it, y'all. We're sick of it. I'm a sister. I'm a sister. Disgusting, man.
It has to do with the fact that you're rotten to the core, and you should not be anywhere near a courtroom. You and all your fellow thugs should not be anywhere near a courtroom, okay? Go find a different...
DEI didn't earn it.
job, something you're qualified for. I hear Wendy's is hiring. But I throw this off to you, Nez Nation. What do you guys think of all this? Are you following this trial? Is this...
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna come through that drive through and give me a biggie bag or a 4 for $4 strawberry lemonade. Yeah, strawberry lemonade. Can I get barbecue sauce, please? Yeah. Shout out to the Wendy's, man. Shout out to the Wendy's. Yeah, man. This Fulton County news it's been real fun lately, y'all. As corrupt as it is, you know, as embarrassing as it is, I know everybody's getting them a good laugh, man, and seeing how corrupt and nasty and things really are. And people that just are unqualified, man, didn't earn it. Hands behind your back, Judge. We caught you. All y'all in Fulton County just getting caught left and right. Oh boy. But huge shout out to my brother Nez, man. Make sure y'all go down below again and check him out. Make sure you go subscribe to him. Much love to him and his family, man. And Nez Nation. Bless you all and your families. I love y'all. Thank y'all for stopping by. And hey, I will catch you beautiful people in the next one, man. Peace and love, y'all.